So I'm going to title this video Cautiously Optimistic. And the reason why is I'm optimistic about where XRP price is headed here. Just some people are being very, very cautious. And this is exactly what we're seeing in the XRP structure currently. The great news is that there are some things working in XRP's favor right now, showing that we may actually have a nice extension coming sometime in this near term here. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So I talked about XRP actually on stream. For those that missed it, I did a stream on Saturday. It was kind of an impromptu one, and I had a few questions about XRP. And one of them, I was talking about the structure for what I believed XRP would do, and it's doing exactly that. We had our little baby breakout where we're basically sitting right on top of this trend. We're slowly but surely working our way down. And the good news is that XRP did not like dropping back into this trend over the last 24 hours. So we popped back up and we're looking good. And really what brought us there was actually a little bit of long leverage liquidations. You guys can see this big block of long leverage. A lot of that got liquidated. And then we had a nice hard bounce. XRP looking actually really good at the time of filming this video. Now, what's interesting about XRP is it has shifted back towards the more bullish momentum. And the reason why I'm saying that is if we look at the MACD, we obviously were in a very bullish time over the course of November. And then we dealt with a little bit of cool down over the course of December. That's what brought us into obviously our descending channel that we were in. Then we were playing into this big bull pennant. And then obviously we had our nice surge and breakout. And now you guys can actually see momentum is shifting more to the bullish side. Now this isn't full bullish yet. We've done this before where XRP has been barely green and then flipped back into red. Now the RSI is looking positive as well. We're above the signal line. We're not in an overbought range, which is very exciting. On the weekly, we're still overbought and the signal line is approaching that very quickly. We are seeing momentum cool down on the weekly, but that's not surprising when you do go through some consolidation here. Now, just as ADA, for example, is waiting for BTC, XRP is waiting for BTC as well. A strong push from Bitcoin to over 100K might liven up the market a little bit. We might get XRP to try to test some of these local resistance levels like 256, maybe 260, somewhere in there. But really, I think where we're going to open up in a big way is the closer we get to Inauguration Day, the closer that we get to Gary Gensler stepping down, because those are, in fact, a very big deal for Ripple, a very, very big deal for XRP, right? Because we may see the whole pushback on Ripple and XRP in general really shift in a big way. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. We don't know how the new chairman is going to approach crypto. But what's interesting about this is what we've kind of seen over the last month or so here is essentially a lot of sideways trading. So, for example, we're dealing with a lot of matriculation of capital in the space. Basically, we are at the same level that we were back on December 3rd, December 4th. We've had sometimes above, sometimes below, but for the most part, things are pretty even keel. During that time, we really didn't get a whole lot in terms of adoption either in the crypto market. For example, USDT dominance, basically the same levels as December 3rd. So you're not really seeing any, at least in the last month, major infusions of capital yet. We did get some in November, which was an exciting sign. But really, once we start to see BTC, I think, take a leg here, break 100K, try to test 108K again, that may be where you start to see things open up just a little bit. All right. Now, that being said, people are playing things very cautiously. We went from what was a very exciting trend in terms of XRP, this huge removal of supply from exchanges, which has been very beneficial for price as of late, to that slowing down to where we're just getting just baby outflow days. We don't really have a whole lot going on right now. It seems like a lot of people are just essentially taking this kind of wait and see approach, and that's fine. So what that might mean is that XRP, may kind of trickle down and follow this trend. We may at some point here, as this 20-day moving average rises up, we may kind of ride this out just slightly here before we make our move. But really the big date we're targeting is right here. We're targeting that January 20th day. That's a big one to focus on. We'll see if any of the economic data plays into any of the moves here. So again, the bulls are still in control as of right now. And this is something that I think is going to carry a lot of weight as we get through January. January, historically speaking, is a good month for crypto, a good month for BTC. And all we needed essentially was a little bit of cool down and a little bit of load up before we take that next leg, before XRP starts targeting $3, entering price discovery, and away we go. So appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Where do you think XRP is headed from here? Do you think we're going to continue to follow this trend? Do we have some exciting times in the near term? But have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.